What if you could go back and change your past, or jump ahead to see the future? Time travel is one of the most fascinating ideas ever imagined. But is time travel just science fiction, or could it actually be possible according to real science? Time travel means moving between different points in time, like moving through space but along the time dimension. Every second, we're already moving forward in time, 1 second per second. But what about going faster, or even backward? Science fiction shows it as easy, and step into a time machine and you're off, but physics tells a more complex story. To truly travel through time, we'd need to bend or warp space-time itself, and that's where Einstein's theory comes in. Einstein showed us that space and time form a four-dimensional fabric called space-time that can be bent or stretched by gravity and speed. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you. This is called time dilation. Astronauts on the International Space Station age just a tiny bit slower than we do here on Earth, a real-life example of traveling slightly into the future. So, future time travel isn't just fiction, it's a proven part of physics. If you could travel near the speed of light, years for you might equal decades or centuries back on Earth. This is called the twin paradox. One twin stays on Earth, the other travels fast in space and returns younger. Going forward in time is theoretically possible, but reaching such speeds would require unimaginable energy. But what about traveling back in time? That's where things get tricky. Einstein's equations allow for closed time-like curves, loops in space-time that could let you return to the past. One possible shortcut through space-time is a wormhole, which might connect two different points in space and time. But wormholes might collapse too quickly or be destroyed by radiation, so they remain theoretical for now. If we could travel to the past, we'd face paradoxes like the grandfather paradox. What if you prevented your own existence? Some scientists propose the many worlds interpretation, where time travel creates new parallel realities instead of changing the past. Experiments have confirmed parts of time travel theory. Atomic clocks flown on planes show time dilation exactly as Einstein predicted. And CERN researchers have slowed the decay of subatomic particles by moving them fast, proving time runs differently at high speeds. Physicists like Kip Thorne and Stephen Hawking studied wormholes, but Hawking believed nature protects us from time travel paradoxes. So, is time travel possible? Traveling to the future? Yes, theoretically and practically in tiny amounts so far. Traveling to the past? Maybe in theory, but not in reality. At least, not yet. As we keep exploring the universe, who knows what the future or even the past might hold. Until then, we'll keep moving forward, 1 second at a time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the science of time travel, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more journeys through space and time.